The QLI extension identifies a QuickLink II fax file containing fax document data from Smith Micro's QuickLink fax communication software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, convert, or recover these legacy fax document files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any QLI file. Let's try the simple solutions first. QLI files are fax document files from QuickLink II, a Windows fax modem communication application by Smith Micro. They contain received or composed fax page images stored in a proprietary format for viewing, printing, and archival of fax communications. QuickLink II QLI files use a proprietary format storing monochrome fax page images, typically at standard 200x100 or fine 200x200 DPI resolution, with CCITT Group 3 or Group 4 compression matching standard fax transmission encoding. The standard opener for QLI is known to be QuickLink II Fax, developed by Smith Micro Software, Inc. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows may open the image, but professional-level editing requires a proper graphics toolset. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the QLI file and click Open with Test QuickLink II Fax first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this QLI file is failing to load. First, opening the file. Install QuickLink II if available to open QLI fax files natively. If the software is unavailable, try opening with IrfanView or XnView, which may support the fax image format. General fax viewer applications may also recognize the QLI format. Next, converting to PDF. If you can view the QLI file, use the print function with Microsoft Print to PDF or a PDF printer driver to convert fax pages to PDF format. This creates a universally viewable document from the proprietary fax format. Finally, recovering fax content. If no application opens the QLI file, try renaming to TIFF or fax extensions, as some fax formats share common CCITT compression. Use a hex editor to inspect the file header for format identification. Professional fax conversion services may assist with legacy format recovery. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.